Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a stunning professional website using Glossgenius. Whether you are a beauty professional, stylist or a small business owner, this platform makes it super easy to showcase your work, manage bookings and impress clients. So let's get started. First, you will need a Glossgenius account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the Glossgenius website. Then select Start Free Trial. Then you have to fill up the form: your first name, last name, email, password, confirm your phone number. Then, if you have any promo code, select that promo code. Then select Sign Up, and your account will be created. Once you have signed up, log in to access your dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, look for the website or online presence section. This is where you will set up your personalized website. Click on it and get started. Then it's time to make your website truly yours. Add your business name and product details. Upload a logo or profile picture to personalize your brand. Choose a color theme that matches your brand's vibe. Write a compelling about me section and introduce yourself to potential clients. Next, you will want to add the services you offer. Create detailed service listing with description and pricing. Set booking availability to match your schedule. Include any special packages or promotions to attract new clients. Build trust by showcasing your best work. Add photos of your past work to create a stunning gallery. Include client testimonial to boost your credibility. Once you are happy with your website, hit publish to go live. Share your website link on social media, business cards, and email signature to drive traffic. And that's it. You have just built a beautiful client-ready website with Glossgenius. Remember, a great website is the key to growing your brand and attracting new clients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.